po sa lahat. Para po sa mensahe ng pagbibigay o benevolence at kung buksan at basahin ng ating Biblia sa Book of Ephesians, chapter 4, verse 28. Sa mga kaibigan po at kapamilya namin na bumibisita ngayong hapon, ito po ang bahagi ng aming pagsamba kung saan kami po ay tumutugon sa pangailangan ng aming mga kapatid o kasama sa simbahan. Hindi po namin kayo iuobliga na magbigay, ngunit kung nais niyo pong ibahagi sa aming pagbibigay, ito po ay taus-puso namin at masaya namin tatanggapin. Maraming salamat. Sa Ephesians chapter 4 in verse 28, the NIV version, sabi po dito, anyone who has been stealing must steal no longer, but must work doing something useful with their own hands, that they may have something to share with those in need. Tayo po ay pinapaalalahanan at the same time, in-encourage ng Bible. Anyone who has been stealing, stop doing it. Instead, we must work to do something useful with our own hands in a godly way. At one point in our life, we are like thieves stealing something. Ako po, aminado po ako. Pwedeng bagay, oras, o kaya pera. Let God enable us to work in a manner that is pleasing to Him, so that our giving will be pleasing to God. We should be grateful that we have the capacity to work, and the reason why God gave us the ability to work, not only to provide for ourselves, but also to help those in need. At this time, to our benevolence contribution, we are able to help those nung nahirapan po nitong nakaraang bagyo, talagang nagkaroon sila ng malaking challenge. And dahil po sa may ipon nating contribution ngayon, pwede po tayo mag-provide ng shelter, food, and other types of help. Kami po ng aking pamilya ay isa ring beneficiary ng benevolence. At sa mga panahon po ng aming mga pangailangan, our brothers and sisters in the church meet our needs, help us, God. Tinulong po kami ng mga missionaries and financially. That's why we're very grateful to God and His church. As we give today, let us all be reminded and be encouraged. We who can give and we who will receive, may we glorify and bring more praises to our God. God is good and faithful to all of us. Tayo po naman natin.